QUIXX, repair it yourself. Scratches in acrylic surfaces happen quickly. This not only looks ugly, but can also get expensive. But we can help you out. With the QUIXX Acrylic Scratch Remover, you can repair scratches in acrylic surfaces easily at a reasonable cost. The professional repair-it-yourself solution by QUIXX. And here we go. First, damp the 1500 grit sanding paper, tape, and wet sand the scratched area with the 1500 sanding paper. Quickly clean the area. Perfect. Remove the tape. Now apply some paste into the scratch. And here we go with the polishing. Simply polish the scratched area for 2 to 3 minutes with strong pressure, using the polishing cloth until the scratch is gone. Wipe off quickly. Clean again. Perfect! No expensive workshop necessary with the professional do-it-yourself solution by QUIXX. Suitable for other applications as well. Again, we start with taping. The water is still available. By using water, the scratch can be sanded out easier. And always think of cleaning. Of course, the polishing paste needs to be applied here too. Always polish transversely to the scratch. By cleaning the treated area from time to time, you can see if the scratch is still visible. Perfect! Professional results on the cheap and the unbeatable feeling of having done the job by yourself with the professional do-it-yourself solutions by QUIXX. We're happy to support you in other repair jobs. Just see for yourself. QUIXX, repair it yourself.